day, everyone. Another day, another learning. Today, I will discuss selling price determination. Define first selling price. What is selling price? For food service operator, selling price is the profitable peso value of a recipe or a menu. For consumers, selling price is the amount of money they will pay for the good or service. Determine first the importance of determining selling price. Number one, determining the correct selling price is essential for ensuring profitability while remaining competitive in the market. Next, it helps cover food costs, labor, and overhead expenses, ensuring the business operates sustainably. A well-calculated price attracts customers while maintaining a reasonable profit margin for growth. It also prevents underpricing, which may lead to losses, or overpricing, which can drive customers away. And last, ultimately, setting the right price balances affordability for consumers and profitability for the business. Let's know what are the steps in determining selling price of food products. We have two types in determining selling price. Number one is using the food cost percentage method. So here, selling price is equal to recipe cost per serving divided by food cost. Whereas, take note of this, food costs must range from 25% to 40% only. The recipe for chicken cordon bleu with tartar sauce has a yield of 4 servings. After costing the recipe, the total cost amounted to 647.50. The food cost percentage that we will add is 35%. So the given in the sample problem are yield 4 servings, total recipe cost is 647.50, food cost is 35%. To solve for the recipe cost per serving, it is equal to total recipe cost divided by yield. Our total recipe cost is 647.50 divided by the yield, which is 4. So the answer is 161.88. So recipe cost per serving is equal to, again, 161.88 or 162 to be exact. So, to compute for the selling price, the formula is recipe cost per serving divided by food cost. So, the recipe cost per serving is equal to 161.88 divided by the food cost, which is 35%. So 161.88 divided by 0.435 is equal to 462.51 or 463 pesos. This method is markup method. Number 1, determine the markup. Then number 2, determine the selling price. In determining the selling price in markup method, we have to get the recipe cost per serving times the markup rate. And then we have to add the recipe cost per serving to the markup. And using markup method in determining selling price, we have to take note of this general markup ranges. For fast food and casual dining, 2.5 to 3.5 times the food cost. For mid-range restaurant, 3 to 4 times the food cost. For fine dining and specialty restaurant, 4 to 6 times the food cost. For bakeries and cafe, 2 to 3.5 times the food cost. And for catering and banquet services, 3 to 5 times the food cost. Example, for the step 1, we have to determine for the markup. So markup is equal to recipe cost per serving times the markup rate. So 108.60 times 2.5 is equal to 271.50. So the markup is equal to 271.50. Step 2, we have to determine for the selling price. The selling price is equal to recipe cost per serving plus the markup. So the recipe cost per serving is 108.60 plus the markup, which is 271.50. So the selling price is 379.60 or 380 pesos. That's how we determine the selling price using the markup method. Thank you for listening, and I hope that you learned from this topic.